In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add first name in ManyChat. Personalizing your messages with the subscriber's first name is one of the simplest ways to make your automation feel friendly, human, and relevant. Let's walk through exactly how to do it step by step, and I'll explain what you're seeing along the way so it all makes sense. Start by heading to Automation, then Open Flows. This is the area where all your conversational experiences live, and it's where you control what messages get sent and when. Find the flow where you want to add personalization and open it. If you have multiple flows, choose the one that contains the message you want to improve with a first name greeting. Inside the flow builder, click a message block. A message block is the element that delivers text to your subscriber. So this is where your words and your personalization belong. When you select the block, you'll see the message editor on the right side of the screen. Now, type your message the way you normally would. Think about your tone and what you want the subscriber to do next. For example, you might start with a warm greeting, then a short sentence that sets context, followed by a clear call to action. Leave a natural spot where the first name should appear, typically right after a greeting like hey or hi, or woven into a sentence where it reads smoothly. To insert the subscriber's name, click Personalize or tap the curly braces icon that looks like two braces together. This opens ManyChat's personalization menu, which lets you pull in dynamic information about the person receiving the message. From the list, choose User, then select First Name. ManyChat will insert a placeholder token for the first name into your message at the exact spot where your cursor is. You'll see it appear as a variable in the text editor. When this message is sent, ManyChat automatically replaces that token with the subscriber's real first name pulled from their profile, so each person sees a customized greeting without you having to write different versions. Give your sentence a quick read to make sure it sounds natural with a name in place. Keep punctuation tight, no extra spaces before commas, and keep the tone conversational. That's all there is to it. By adding the first name field, you instantly increase relevance and make your automation feel more like a one-to-one conversation. Once you've added it in the right place, you're ready to use this message anywhere in your flow for a more personal touch.